Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Namrata palit. Hope you all are doing great and having fun. So hopefully this is the first video of 2020, isn't it? So I want to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings you all the happiness and success and fulfills all your desires, and may this year make you more stronger, wiser than you have been in the last year. That's really important. We can't assure the next 365 days would be all good, all happy. Things will happen. We have to accept it the way it is. I'm not giving any negative vibes on the first week of the new year, but this is reality. What is in our control is being strong and make ourselves ready for any situations to get through all the hurdles. So this is it, and now let's talk about today's video. So in this video I'm gonna share with you some of my newly purchased jewelries which I bought online from Amazon and Myntra respectively. Although if you're from India, you know what Myntra is, but if you're not familiar with this thing, then Myntra is an online retail store for clothes, shoes, bags and this kind of accessories. So most of the jewelries would be from Myntra. So you can check all the links I'll be mentioning in the description box below if you have any queries. And let's start with the Chand Bali I'm wearing right now. This is one of my favorites of all the jewelries I got this time. So it's a traditional Indian design for earrings, and let me show you up close how beautiful it is. It has this turquoise plates or mina in different levels. Now you might think, how am I carrying it, because it's quite long and it seems heavy. I can understand, but let me tell you, it's not as heavy as it seems. This is why I really like it, and the finishing of it, it's actually perfect. It looks quite high-end, and yeah, you can wear it for hours, at least for someone like me. I can wear it. It doesn't hurt my ears. So this is it. I'm really happy with this overall earring, this Chand Bali. But yeah, preference differs person to person, so obviously it depends. And yeah, if you wanna check the same earring, check the description box below. I'll be mentioning the link down below. And now I'm gonna share with you all the earrings I got this time, and then I'll get into the necklace and earring set. See, this is something I'm going to wear for the first time, and I'm a bit disappointed because I found this loose pink stone which already fell out, but I can fix it using any glue or adhesive, but it doesn't feel right. But let me show you how it looks. Okay, one more thing which I didn't notice earlier, otherwise I'd have returned this earring. So there is a pearl which is missing and I can't fix this thing, but I really like how it looks, so I'm not wearing it. It will look weird, so it's a pass. And now let me show you this one. It seems perfect till now. So this is how it looks. Look wise it's good, and that's the reason I bought this, but I don't really feel the material is good in this earring particularly, and the previous one also. And these two pair were a set. I bought these two in a single price. I hope that makes sense, and I'm not sure how long it will last because the stones and the material of it feels very cheap. Anytime it can break, so this is it. And now it's time for some earrings which I got from Amazon, but these are not actually new. I got this last year, and you might have already seen me wearing it in previous videos, but I thought to share with you all the things I got online. But I'm noticing one thing today. The ones I got from Amazon, those are better in quality in compared to the ones from Myntra. I wore this more than 5 times already and it's still in the good condition, which is really great. And now it's time for the neck piece and earring sets. I got 3 this time, which are really great. I already tried them on. These 3 all are from Myntra. So let me share with you the first one. So this one has very nice Meenakari and Kundan work on it, and these pearls adds more elegance to it. Although these are not the real Kundan or pearls, but for costume jewelry it's really good. It doesn't look cheap and good for the price. And another great thing is it looks really gorgeous in pictures. So here's the second neck piece I got this time again from Myntra. This one also has this Kundan work on it and this pearl bits. And let me wear it now. And here is the last one for today's video. This one has this white Kundan work and white pearls. That's it. It's pretty simple but looks very elegant. This one has this monk tikka also along with the earrings. And the monk tikka came with it. Looks like this. It's a very sleek one. I like this Kundan design all over the chain. Although I'm not gonna wear it right now, but I think it will give you a rough idea how it looks. So this was all about today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and now I wanna share my experience, how I actually felt after buying these many of jewelries online. So as you know already, my overall experience was good except that 2 pairs of earring set which I shown, which was not in the good condition at all, and I just found that was the cheapest product I got in the entire haul this time, and the packaging was very poor as well, and I think that was the reason why it was already broken. So yeah, it happens, but I didn't checked it on time, otherwise I'd have changed it or return it, or I could have do something about it. And my overall experience was good, but one thing I noticed, if you spend little more on costume jewelry, the quality would be better. But if you have a budget, or if you want to spend just 200 rupees or something, the quality won't be good, but look wise it would be good. The way it will look on screen, you'll get something very similar to that, or maybe the exact same thing. So I have no complaint with the look or anything, but in some pieces the quality is not the best. But yeah, these are costume jewelries. You're gonna wear it for 5 or 10 times maximum, then you can get a new one. That's the fun. So this is it, and I'm gonna share with you another thing. If you find any design or pattern which is your type, then you can check from the same brand. You know, there are some small brands who sell their products via these big online stores like Myntra, Amazon. Like I got all my neck pieces from a brand called Zaveri Pulse. Yeah, they sell beautiful, wonderful stuff. So this was the product. I hope you can see it. And what you can do is, here you can see the brand name Zaveri Pulse, and in Myntra there is an option which is more jewelry said by Zaveri Pulse. So it will open all the designs they already published on Myntra, or they're selling on Myntra. So you will find a lot of interesting designs and the same pattern. Like I found 3 of my neck pieces which I really liked, and I placed the order. They really have nice collection, Zaveri Pearls. And the other brand I found really good is this one, Suki.com. So you can search your jewelry by brand's name also. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.